Hello again. Can you hear that sound? It's coming from my power supply, and that means I have to take it out and see what's happening with the fan, because this is a classic fan sound. It needs oil, it needs a little bit of care. First step, let me take this glass out, and now what I have to do is to take out the power supply right here and open it up and see about the fan. Of course, lot of dust. Here is the power supply. Let me see if I can take it out without taking the wires away. We need to open these screws. A lot of dust here, but you know, it's amazing. It's amazing how much dust can we get in the house. Yeah, I can get this out. Of course, because there's a lot of cables there. I hate that. Okay, so here we come. Look at this guy. This is funny, but you know that most of the dust in a house, it's dead skin, right? I can say that it's very dusty. Here we have the connector down here. Take it nice and slowly. Like a rule, when you use the vacuum to clean any fan, don't even think about let the blades rotating, because once these are getting moving, transform the fan in a generator. And sometimes the voltage is generated, because we have some magnets in here, are much more than the electronic can support. So be careful not to burn. Keep the blades on. Now I'm gonna take this label out. I can say that it's pretty oiled there. This is funny, but we don't see what's happening the other side of the axle. So I'm gonna take that washer out. The washer here have a gap. All you need is to reach that one, take one side up, and here we are. Now we can take the parts out. Yeah, they are pretty oiled, but I can see some grease with a solid. Doesn't look bad, not at all. I have this kind of oil. This is special for small mechanic things, and one single drop, it will be enough. Let's put all the washers in place. And here we have a rubber gasket sealing the axle. Keep in place washer, I may say, the fixing washer. Nothing more to do. Alcohol for cleaning the surface. Now we can have the label back properly. And all the mounting process will be reversed. Okay, coffee break. Okay, some more dust cleaning here. This is pretty dusty. I'll take care of that in a second. Now everything goes back like this. Bring the fan down. Okay. Here's something I don't like. I have a small hard drive here just for data deposits. This one is not fixed here at all. Why? This also can cause vibrations. So let me have some washers. It's looking like the screws are too long. And back in place. Okay, and as long as we are here, let's check the CPU fan too. And there we are. Let me see how can I take that out. I have this mounting brackets here. Them out. Okay, one is gone. I think very easy. Oh my. Okay, this was not clean for 1 year. Okay, let me show you people. It's so amazing. I have very good windows and I have good isolation, and that's funny how much dust can be all around. Rotating because okay, let's take care about the fan here. Oh, pretty dusty, isn't that? Same story. Be careful, don't spin the blades. Deep cool. Okay, Mr. Deep Cool. Shall we have some oil here too? Oh, this is not important. I can use a piece of tape. Okay. Then I can fix this with double tape. Shouldn't be a problem. So, you can see this fan here has got no access, but we can do a trick. We can have a little hole there. Yeah, and I can see the metal there. I don't have a syringe that could be helpful in this situation, but I'll just drop tiny and push the plastic. We have to move the fan in out and the oil is going down. The fan is clean and it's oiled, and now I have to fix it back on the CPU. Brackets, they are so nice. I like simple things. Maybe I should clean the video card too, as long as I'm here. Today it's the cleaning day. Now careful, I have to take that out without breaking anything. And that's the video card. Pretty dusty, isn't that? No, I never cleaned this before. How can I take this plastic out with the fans? Okay, so we have a few screws here. Cleaning day to day, people. Of course. Can you see this? Out. There's no use. It's sealed too. So I don't want to get into these fans. I don't see any problem here. But I have in mind soon to do that. It's good enough, we just clean the fans, but it's clean. A little bit of isopropylic on the connector, clean any leftovers, grease. Good to go. Very nice. And here we are, everything is back in place. Let me turn it on, main switch, power on, like a pussycat. Oh, sound, very nice. Ha, PC cables, right. I forgot to put the power to the graphic card. Okay, second try. Power on, blue light, screen on. Ha, incredible. And CPU fan error. What? What?
Okay, high school. Rush, okay, that's nice.
Luckily the connector is fine, so that's the right position there. But this is something really funny. I have my loudspeaker on, and finally it turns to be a BIOS setting. Let me catch the BIOS, at least for this Asus motherboard. There is no fan port for CPU only. So one of these two fans have to be dedicated for CPU, and I don't know for the others, for other motherboards, but for this one, it's a very simple solution. Just give ignore to the CPU fan. And of course, CPU chassis fan 1 also ignore, because I don't have anything. And chassis fan 2, now it's working like CPU fan. That's it. And now I have it on standard, save and exit, and we are good to go. It's spinning, I heard the beep, everything's fine there. Start loading Windows, and there we are, good people, everything is fine. And of course, the computer is silent. Almost no sound. Perfect. Finally, I may say this operation is successful. Once in a while we have to do that, check the fans for dust and even oil it. And I hope it's useful. If you have any comments, write them down. Of course, like, subscribe, and don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.